Let us now learn how to import a library into a Python program. In Python, a file containing Python statements and definitions is referred to as a module. You can use the import keyword to import a module, after which this module can be used in Python. To import a module, you should use the import keyword with the name of the module. For example, you can import a math library with import math. Let us understand how to use a method using import function with the help of an example. Here, you can use the imported math library and use one of its methods, sqrt or square root, without writing the actual code to calculate the square root of a number. Let us now look at how to import a specific method from a module. Previously we had imported the entire module. However, to import only a specific method from the math module, you can use the code from math import. For example, you can use the code given on screen to only import sqrt and sign methods from the math library to calculate the square root and sign of a number.